Now we come back to round 5, knowledge check. So I would be reading the questions. Listen to them carefully. Question 1, Aspen House. Which famous monument in Delhi has the words of India's freedom speech carved on it? So these are the monuments of India: Gateway of India, Charminar, India Gate and Red Fort. Discuss amongst your team. Don't be in a hurry to answer. But yes, keep in mind the 30 seconds.
Option C, India Gate.
Option C, India Gate. Yes, that's the correct answer. Question number 2 for Sidr House. The Vivekananda Rock Memorial is situated on the sea at which place? Goa, Kanyakumari, Kochi or Chennai? Take your time.
Answer is Chennai.
So he says the answer is Chennai. Can I ask from audience, is it the correct answer? Yes? How many of you say yes? It's a wrong answer. So we pass it on to Maple. Maple, you get a chance. Yes, Maple House. Same question goes to you.
Option B, Kanyakumari.
Option B, Kanyakumari. That's the correct answer. So Maple House gets 5 points here, Vilma. And now is the time for Maple House for their own question. Gateway of India was built to welcome the President of India, British King George V, Portuguese explorers, or Mughal emperors. Think. So this famous monument, Gateway of India, it was built to honor someone who visited our country. Ma'am, keep a check on the time.
Time out.
Time out, children. So sorry. So we move to Oak House. Wait. Now you will stand. The participant that can stand and now answer.
Option B is correct answer.
That's a correct answer. It's British King George V and the Queen. They visited during their visit to India in December 1911, children. So it was that was the time when it was built. So next question for Oak House. The Konark Sun Temple is famous for its shape. It is built in the shape of giant drum, giant boat, giant chariot or giant well.
Option C, giant chariot.
Correct answer. Giant chariot is the correct answer. Well done, Oak House. So let's see how many of you are good in current affairs which are going around. So this is round number 6. Aspen House, are you ready? Which Indian state became the first to achieve 100% renewable energy usage in government buildings in 2024? The options are Kerala, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, Gujarat.
Option A.
Can you be loud? She said option A, Kerala. It's a wrong answer, so we pass it on to Sidr House.
Option D, Gujarat.
Option D, Gujarat. I'm sorry, that's also a wrong answer. So now it passes on to the audience. So let's see. And you have a better chance because you're left with 2 options. Yes. Someone from here? Yes, Akanshvi? Sikkim is the wrong answer. Now we are left with only last option, so it's Himachal Pradesh, which is the correct answer. So in 2024, This state was kind of a winner to have 100% renewable energy sources usage in the government offices. Question number 2, Sidr House. Which Indian city got the country's first underwater metro 2023? So is it Mumbai, Delhi, Bangalore or Kolkata?
The answer is Mumbai.
So he says the answer is Mumbai. That's the wrong answer. Move to Maple House.
Option B, Kolkata.
You should have discussed, but so you said B and D. Discuss amongst your team. Ma'am, how much time left? 5 seconds, quick.
And B, Delhi.
So she says B, Delhi. That's the wrong answer. Again, the chances for the audience. So now from Sidr House. Yes. Prisha? C, Bangalore. Wrong answer. So the last answer, the last option, it's Kolkata. So now the third question for this round goes to Maple House. Maple House, which Indian city hosted the G20 summit in 2023? So these are the name of the Indian cities: Chennai, Mumbai, Delhi, Hyderabad. Which Indian city hosted G20 summit in 2023? We were the host to this program.
Option D, Hyderabad.
That's the wrong answer. Oak House, your chance.
Option C is correct answer.
Option C.
Option C is correct answer.
Okay, someone from the team, can you repeat the answer correctly, properly?
And the answer is New Delhi.
Yes, answer is New Delhi. So I hope you all are aware what's G20 summit. Yes? Okay. So I'm really curious to ask someone. Someone from here, yes audience, your chance to answer. No points but yes Charlie? No, that's not the groundwater. Someone else? From the Red House, Maple House? Jay? Yes, very close to the correct answer. Okay, so cutting it short. Actually, children, G20, it's a big meeting. In a very simple way, I'll tell you. So 20 important countries, the ones who are the member of this group, they come together and they discuss on the growth and development of their countries as well as the world. So that's known as G20 Summit. Okay, so we come back to our quiz again. The next question for Oak House. What is the name of India's first human space mission?
Switzerland.
No, that's the wrong answer. So we pass it on to Aspen House. Aspen House. Discuss. This side.
The answer is C.
Please speak the answer, Bacha.
Rocket India.
Rocket India is the wrong answer. Sidr House.
Gaganyaan.
Gaganyaan. Yes, that's the correct answer. So that's the first human space mission. That's the Gaganyaan. So here we come to the end of these 6 rounds. Now coming to round 7, visual round. You have to check the audio, video or whatever picture is shown on the screen. The first picture and the question round. For Aspen House, this leader played a key role in drafting India's constitution and is honored as its chief architect. Who is he?
Option C, Dr. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar.
That's correct. And you were right in saying the full name, Dr. B. Rao Ambedkar. Okay, so next question is for Figure House. You are hearing beats from a classical percussion instrument played with both hands. What is it called? Mridangam, tabla, shehnai or dholak?
Option B, tabla.
Option B, tabla is the correct answer. Maple House. The colorful fair in Rajasthan is famous for trading animals. What is it called? So that's the name of a mela, a fair. Is it Kumbh Mela, Hornbill Festival, Pushkar Fair or Suraj Kund Mela? Maple House?
Option C, Pushkar Fair.
Pushkar Fair, that's the correct answer. Wonderful. It's a very famous annual fair in Rajasthan. The giant tree, that's the question is for Oak House, with hanging roots in India's national tree. What is it called?
A, banyan tree.
Banyan tree, that's the correct answer. Wonderful, well played. So now we come to the last round of the quiz. That's a just a minute round. So before you all begin with this round, you have played very well. The time, I'll repeat the rule. The time changes over here. So now you get 1 minute. Earlier you were getting 30 seconds. So now you have 1 minute. You have questions on these sheets. Discuss with your team members. There should be no cutting.